Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're back again and we're gonna create another date look. I'm gonna go have lunch with my hubs, so I'm like, why not just create something fun. I know I'm wearing a summer dress because I'm in Texas, it's still summer. So yeah, if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, I'm actually gonna do like a green look. I haven't done a green look in a second. Today I'm thinking a green look. Maybe green and yellow, maybe? I don't know. Oh my god, I broke this. There's this like superstition that if you break a mirror, there's like all this, bad luck. I have no idea. Okay, so I'm gonna go into this shade right here. I think this is black or a dark green. But I do want that for like my outer V, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into that shit. I think this is a black. Or is it? I don't know. It's called 6 a.m.-ish. This is more like 6 p.m.-ish. So I kind of, change my eating habits a bit. Trying to be more healthy. Before I used to eat like super late, so now I'm not gonna eat as late, or I've been doing this for like 3 weeks. I feel so good in the night, like so good. Like when I go to sleep, I don't feel like just stuffed. And yeah, so most of the time we eat like 5:30 for the latest. And if I'm hungry again in the evening, I'll just have something light, like some tea, maybe some crackers, but mostly just tea. Now we're gonna go in with the greens. Let's do this T81, and first, I think I broke my mirror in here, and see, I sat on it and it just like shattered the mirror from right here. I think I'm gonna go into these 2 greens. So I'm gonna go into Ant, and the next one I'm gonna go into Give Me a Phone to kind of blend all that black. So first I'm just gonna stem this like right here, like so. Just stamp it nicely. Okay, and then now I'm gonna go into that other green, which is Give Me a Phone. And let's see, I need another brush. I'm just looking to see what brushes I have over here. I need to wash my brushes. This M441 will be fine. And let's go to Give Me Your Phone. And it's gonna just keep blending it. Greens are like hard to work with, especially like super dark greens like this, but you just have to blend. Then you go back to the black, because I want my black. And I go back to this green. And then I go back to the other green. You just keep going back and forth. So now I'm just gonna use my glue. See like how quick this looks out? Like this is so pretty but so quick. I need a nice shimmer. Let me grab my glitter glue, because it just makes my shadows like pop. So I want a nice green. It's a nice green, just a nice green. Maybe this green, let me see, maybe this. I don't know, let's see. Let's see. Oops. need another brush. Let's use this M506 and just, you know, blend this. I just need something that's gonna just blend this. Ooh, I'm gonna use this green, actually, mint, from this palette. That will work. Cause I need like something that's gonna blend it. And now I'm gonna go back to that black. That's simple. I'm gonna go off camera, do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Eyes are done. Love it. Green, you know, as ever, but I like it. So it is what it is. I actually used this in my last video and I kind of like the combo, so I'm gonna use my Becca full coverage. I don't know, I think like this is like kind of blocked. This is so thick, so we're gonna do it like so. That's too much. Like this. And I'm obsessed with this foundation. This is the extra short from Marc Jacobs. And then I'm just gonna like kind of spot check. Yep, this is enough. After I put like, you know, a gallon, I'm like, okay, this is enough. And I'm gonna use my Ruce brush. I should have another brush like this. I really like this because I need to wash this one, and then we just go to tongue. Just bring this down, because whoo, this is like, this is so thick. Oh, is that Becca foundation that's super, just real thick? Although I, you know, kind of blend it down with that extra short, because the extra short is for maybe like medium coverage, but the Becca one is like full bit. Okay, I'm gonna use my One Size concealer, turn up the base, butter silk concealer. I like the consistency of this. This concealer does dry pretty fast, so it's pretty much, you know, you put it and you blend it out. But I'm being hard-headed and I'm not gonna do that. Let's blend this out real quick, because whoo, this is already getting dry. I have the biggest pimple like right here, but this covered it up nicely, so that's good. Mango, passion fruit, bubbly. I need my bronzer, not my bronzer, my contour brush. Okay, let's set this face. I keep giving this foundation, not this foundation, sorry, this powder a chance from Becca by Yolondo. Again, like, I like her shadows. I'm using all her shadows today, but man, like, I cannot get on board with her powders. Like, I just feel like it just leaves like a white cast, like. And I know I'm leaving this heavy because I got to, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have some fall off. I'm trying to give it a chance. I'm trying, but I'm gonna use my HudaBeauty conifer to set my face and bring that down to my neck, because I did bring my foundation there. Like I'm trying to love this powder, so from Makeup by Yolondo. So I'm like, you know, using it over and over and over again, trying to give it a chance, you know. Okay, let's go back to that palette. I'm gonna go to that black. When I really look at that shade is definitely black and not green. Okay, let's clean this. And then let's go into, yep, and now we're gonna go into Give Me a Phone. No, but I'm literally just gonna use this just to blend the edges. I was gonna use like a really dark pencil, but no, let's use Electric Empire from Urban Decay. I need to sharpen my pencil, man. I don't know where my sharpeners are. I had one like right here, but then I can't find it. So this is hella like dull. But it works. Okay, now let's dust off under my eye. See, like right here, that powder just stays there. Like I don't know why. And it just looks like a white cast, like right here. I don't know. So that's why I don't really like it. But I keep giving it chances. Let's go ahead and bronze. Let's bronze. I'm gonna use this from HudaBeauty, the Bronze in Paradise. And I'm using these two shades, the two middle shades. Let's use this blush. This one right here. As soon as I can find my brush. And let's put some highlighter. But I do like her highlighter. This is so pretty. So if you can get your hands on the highlighter, and if you have the powder and you love it, like there's nothing wrong with that. I don't love it. I'm in Texas, right? So it's still summer, so I can be like hella bronze. That is my exclusive. Too much. Okay, what am I gonna put in my inner corners? Something like green but light. You know what? Let's put a little gold. Maybe, yes. Just put some gold right here. Just a little gold to just, you know, spice up all that green. And let me put my earrings on. So I use this from, what's her face? Nikita. And I really like it. So I'm gonna use it again. Is that, nope, that's, Yeah, it's like Blood Rush or some stuff like that. This is hella dark. Dark. So this is actually not super dark, so that's perfect. So yeah, so that's it guys for this video. You know, now it's time for me to go, you know, have lunch / dinner, because you know I'm eating earlier than usual. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a fuck what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back.